All right, so now we're going to look at the actual reflections. So we are first going to look at a reflection over the x-axis. A reflection over the x-axis. So when reflecting over the x-axis, write the opposite y coordinate. Okay? So, reflecting x-axis, opposite y coordinate. I know that's going to be very difficult. And the good news is we're going to focus on graphing. So this isn't as big of a deal, but I do want you to know the math behind it. And again, some of you are not great at looking at the picture. So I want you to kind of have the, what it looks like on both. All right. So what I mean by that is if you have the pre-image of x comma y, then the actual image, right, after the transformation would be keep your x, make the y a negative. So if I do examples, right, the point 2 comma 3, I'm going to do in the middle kind of my math here. This would be 2 comma negative 3, right, putting a negative on the y. So my final answer would be 2, negative 3. If I had the point negative 5, negative 2, here's why this middle is important, because I would have negative 5, but then this would be negative 2, which would give me a final answer of negative 5, positive 2. Okay, so that's kind of why I wanted to show you that. Again, it is not going to be our sole focus. Which is perfectly fine.